Ladies and gentlemen, today is a great day to talk about Forex Online because we have a new update with some cool features and optimizing even more this future trading that we included in the past update. So stay tuned because there's more and more things coming out and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. But before we go straight into that, let me tell you that we're having a massive giveaway of 42 free Forex Online accounts that you can earn for completely free, and it's really easy to enter. You only need to come to any of these videos of our Forex Online trading course, and by clicking in any of these videos, you'll be able to find down here in the description everything we need to actually enter this giveaway. As you can be able to see, each video of the course has its own giveaway, so you can comment on there. 7 giveaways on each video, and you just need to comment, register with a free account on Forex Online, and leave the email in your profile. In any case, inside this video you've got the complete details for the giveaway, so go and check it out because at the end of the day you can get free lifetime Forex Online if you win it. So said this, what has changed in our Forex Online? Well, first thing that I want to mention is that we have 2-phase prop challenge. Before we only have the phase 1 to simulate phase 1. Now we can simulate a phase 2. To do this, we need to come to create a prop challenge, and in this case it's for the Fundora challenges. In the next updates we'll be getting to basically do this in our custom challenge, but in any case Fundora challenge is quite a standard challenge, so at the end of the day we can test out this and see if we can pass this phase 2. So basically it includes in automatically, we don't need to change anything, and we'll be able to see here phase 1 requirements. This is phase 1, we need to do it 8%, we've got a max daily loss of a 5 and a maximum loss of 10. Really typical prop challenge. And if we come onto this here, it says this evaluation consists of 2 phases. Phase 1 is completed, you continue to phase 2, do it completely automatic, you don't need to do anything. So this is a great way to see if we can actually pass a phase 2 and basically be able to get a funded account of a 2-phase challenge. At the end of the day, the 2-phase challenges tend to be cheaper than phase 1, so hey, that's always a nice win. But let's continue through because, like I said before, we are going to go deeper in our future trading, and this will be able to find it here. Basically, in this case, I'm in MIS, in the Micro E Mini S&P 500, and what we're going to be looking at is a few indicators that I've added that I think are going to be game changers if you like to backtest futures. If we come to indicators, we'll be able to come to volume, and here we can be able to see, obviously they're still in beta, so if you see any type of error, any type of, you got any type of issue, please hit the dev team. You'll be able to get this here in feedback. Okay, if we come to feedback, and we can report the bugs. If you see any type of bugs, please report them there. And as well, if you have any feature requests as well, we can send it here. It's like a little forum that we got inside where basically you can answer other people, and as well the dev team are connected directly to here to answer all your questions. But continue with the indicators. Basically, if we come back to the indicators and we come to volume, we've got the big trades. Okay, big trades is a new indicator that's been added, where basically we'll be able to see the big trades, as the name is. We'll be able to see them represented by this massive circles, and obviously if we go in different time zones, more detailed zones. Okay, it's a really interesting indicator. It's been really requested by a team, and obviously here it is, because at the end of the day we always want to bring you the best features to Forex Online. And second on, if we come back to indicators, we'll be able to see again to volume, we've got the Cumulative Volume Delta. The order flow footprint is the one that we added in the past update, so if you didn't see that video, go and check it out because there's some interesting things there. But here we've got the Cumulative Delta Volume. This is a really interesting indicator as well. If we take this RSI away just a minute and we bring this up here, we'll be able to see the actual delta volume represented in Japanese candles. I think it's really interesting, and it gives you a massive information. Another thing that I wanted to just check through, like I said, we have the ICT kill zones. It's really interesting as well. I can actually check in a minute. We just go to indicators and adaptive. We'll be able to see them here that actually kill zones and pivots. This is really interesting as well for people that obviously like to trade the kill zone. And look at this, look at the actual the high of this kill zone here is actually where we have a big volume. That's something interesting, especially as well. You can see another big volume here and another kill zone here. This is actually something quite interesting, and I think it's a great indicator because at the end of the day it just saves you time. And hey, whatever saves you time is great, because at the end of the day, time is the only currency that doesn't come back. So these are basically the indicators that obviously we have included new. There are more indicators being cooked in the background, so I'd say these devs are cooking so much, because not only that, if you actually want to check out all the features out, we can come here to help, and we can go to changelog, and in changelog we'll be able to see basically all the basically the release with big trades with kill zone pivots. The Ichimoku's added the cloud transparency, the cumulative delta volume, the footprints, and as well the two-phase challenge. We can now import the C trade history, futures position size, futures journal, all cool stuff that's been added. These devs have been cooking. I mean, just look at the bug fixes, how many there are. And obviously it's completely normal because Forex Online is enormous. And when I say enormous, it's enormous, especially for a web browser program. So at the end of the day, so many things that there's always going to be bugs to fix. So this is why this bug list is always so big, because obviously they are cooking every single day, doing the best to bring the best product out there. Because at the end of the day, Forex Online, I hate to say it myself, but Forex Online is the best backtesting platform that you can use, especially online. So said this, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed this new update, and drop me a comment down below telling me what is your favorite change. I'd love to know your opinion. As you can see, you got all the changes here if you want to go through them yourself and see if this bug that you maybe saw has been fixed. It's always good to check it out. And obviously, like I say, if you do have any questions at all, please come back to feedback and send a bug report or feature request. Hey, maybe your favorite feature will enter in the next update. So this, my name is Jack. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.